Rudy, please join the meeting. 5699. Did you join the meeting, Rudy? Okay. But your password 5699. Can you see my desktop? 1. Okay. Have you done the exercise? Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah. Okay. Just I asked you for practicing, not for homework. Yeah. Okay, everybody is seeing my desktop. 5699. Can you see my desktop? So we are discussing about crystal report. So what is the advantage of crystal? Anybody? Yeah. So connecting to the flow system directly. That is the main beauty of the crystal. Any type of the source maybe we can connect. That is the main feature, and the main and the functions are more, and the printing options are very more here compared to the Ruby. Okay, so in crystal we have the blank report option. In Ruby, for creation of new one, we have a new option there. Here I have a blank report. In Ruby I have a new option. When I click on the new option there, then I can select the web intelligence document. Then automatically what will be appear all the available UMSs if it is a Ruby. If it is a crystal, when I click on the blank report option, database export window. What is the use of this database export window? It is similar to your first step. What is that? Exactly. Connecting to the source system. Similarly, that window will helpful to you. Whenever I am creating a new report, blank report option, automatically the database export window. We are calling as a database export window. We are going to make a connection to your source system. So here different supporting folders are there to connect to the different source system. If I have a variety of source system, then authentication is required. It is similar to your source system. Connecting to the source system, then automatically if I have the authentication, I can connect to the archive. I can take the required information. Let us suppose end user has given the requirement that should be satisfied with the two tables, employee and department. Start user, the tables are employee and department. So first you have to accept the required table. Click on OK. Then automatically you see that joins will create automatically. If you want to modify, you can double click on that, you can modify. Click on OK. So what we are calling here, the design panel. Design panel, nothing but your query panel option. Okay. Here we are calling as the design panel. So if you are unable to see the field explorer, Okay. 1 second, guys. So Field Explorer panel. Can anybody see the Field Explorer panel? What is the Field Explorer panel and where it is appearing there? Is it appearing there? What is the Field Explorer panel? Field Explorer panel. What is that? Exactly. The class and object concept in Webby, here it is calling as Field Explorer. So if it is not displaying, then how can I get that Field Explorer panel? Go to the View menu. If you go to the View menu, we have a Field Explorer. Then automatically, oh, it's going somewhere. What happened? It is not displaying here. Without appearing there, how can we do the reporting? It is going somewhere. View, Field Explorer. No, it is going somewhere. What happened? Field Explorer. Where you are going next to panel. Okay. We'll try with administrator username. It's already administrator username. Let me try with my username. Mr. System Report. Yes. Here I have got the Field Explorer placed in the left hand side. Okay, very good. Any existing connections? No problem. We can use the existing connection. Already we implemented a connection. These many connections we implemented. Just authentication provider. So what is the details box in your design panel? Details box. What is the use of that details box in the design panel? Yes. Your resultant objects panel will be the concept of result objects panel. Okay. This is nothing but here we are calling as the details box. Okay, done. This is the details box. From the left hand side, Field Explorer that is placed in the left hand side. Okay. Whatever the tables I have connected, those will be appear here. Then we can take the required information from that based on the end user requirement. Okay. Job and salary. Then we have to place them into details box. Then how can I refresh the report? In Webby, I have a run query option. Here, I have a refresh option. Either refresh or F5 button is similar to your run query option. Okay. Yeah. How can I run the report? Yeah. Please mute your phone, guys. Please go to refresh. Then the report is created. Okay. Here, I don't have the report title defaultly. In Webby, I have a report title cell defaultly. There I can add my report title. Am I right? But here, we don't have the report title. Okay. How can I add a title here? I told you, report header box. This is the report header box where I can represent some pictures, company logos, or any title. If I want to insert a title in Webby, how can I do that? Unfortunately, I have deleted the title in the Webby. In a report, I deleted the title, unfortunately. I want to represent the title again. What is the possibility there? There I have the blank fill concept. Here, we have a text object concept. So, where is this text object concept? If you go to the insert menu, so your insert menu, we have the options, either pictures, charts, boxes. The first icon is the text object. If you click on the text object, we have to drag the length, the required length we have to drag. How much length you want, you have to drag. Then you can add your title, report, department where, employee salary. Salary. After that, if you want to format like your word options, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the complete formatting similar to your word option. As per your requirement, you can do the formatting. If you want to increase, later if you want to increase the width, you can increase. This is completely your formatting as you wish you can do. Alignment centrally. Now preview, then automatically wherever I want to place this blank cell concept, here I have a text object. The same thing I want to place in the report footer. So in report footer level, I want to place that blank cell and I want to display the developer name. So wherever if you want to display some message, go to the insert menu, click on the text object concept and place wherever you need. Developer. Later if you want to format, as you wish you can format. Then come to the preview. So left hand side we can observe. So this box belongs to a report footer box and the data is representing nothing but it's a details tab. Page header nothing but your table header and the report header nothing but my report title. So this is a small custom report. Save that into desktop as the report one and F7. Okay. Then if I want to insert the grand total, maybe what is the possibility? No. Grand total. Just grand total I need it. There the summary functions like sum, count, max, minimum, that type of the function. Summary symbol is there. Okay. You come here, first go to the design. So everything you can do using the details here. Now decide for which field I have to do the summation. Salary field. Go to the insert menu. The second icon. Can you see the second icon? That is summary option. And one window will be appear to you. It is asking, do you want to continue with the employee.salary field or do you want to change? If you drop down, you can change the field. Instead of the salary, I want to take some other field. What type of the function you want to perform? Here if you observe, lot of functions are there. In Webby, we don't have that much function. If you want to observe, I will open the Webby also. One second. Yes, I am opening already created report. Someone is created. Let's see that. I want to see the grand total of that revenue. How can I do that grand total? In your toolbar, we have a sigma operation. If you drop down, we have only this summary function. When it comes to crystal, if I want to perform the summation for a field, go to the insert menu. So same here also we have a sigma along with one summary name. Click on the summary. Then it is asking to you. Then we can choose the respective field. Why it is showing that field? Because I already selected that one field. And here it should drop down lot of functions, summary functions are there. Then what I want to display, the grand total at report footer box. Click on OK. Automatically in your report footer, that grand total is displaying. So whenever if you want to move the cell, please use the control button, up arrow, right arrow. You can use the control and the arrow button. Then we can easily move the cells. Whenever if you want to move the columns, don't drag your page header. Whenever if you want to move the data, just use the details box of the object. Control left arrow, control right arrow. You can use the control button for easily moving. Click on preview. Now I have a grand total here. This is the grand total. How can we know is it a grand total or not? Just to place a message. How can I place a message? Insert a text box in the place of report footer beside of the cell. Just give it as a name, grand total. So that is where the footer means that is belongs to. Okay. Control D, Control I. You can format as you wish. Preview. So that summary I can display like that. Otherwise, right click. We have the insert menu option. Same summary is here or go to the insert menu. Then what is this running total? If this concept is available in Webby, the running total. How can I perform the running total? No. Insert column to the right. Go to the FX there. There I can perform the running total, nothing but you have a running some function there. These are the running sum, count, max, minimum, average. There I have the running sums and count concept. In Crystal, we are calling as a, if you right click this, insert, directly running total option they have given. Either it may be a sum, count, average, anything. First, running total option they have given. Click on that. Then it is asking to you, what is the name you want to give for the new column? R total 0, running total, or running sum, as you wish. You can provide the name, running sum. What type of the sum? You click on lot of functions are the summary function. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Automatically that column is inserted. Please observe. But it is placed into the cell of salary field. If I want to move the running sum towards right hand side, what I told you, please use the control arrow button. Control arrow you can use. And also select the details tab of the field. Okay, then you can move that. Okay. And the width is not sufficient. If you want to increase the width, you can increase the width. If you want to increase the details of the width, set the details of the data, then you can increase the width as much as you want. So what is the meaning of running sum? Can anybody tell? So the first one, yeah. Second row value will be, yeah. So that is the running sum. Very good. So I am saving this report. Okay. Then, if I want to eliminate the duplicate, what is the concept I have in VB? Elimination of duplicates, and for grouping the data, what I have the option here. Elimination of duplicates and grouping the data, I have the break in section in VB. Okay. And the same concept here we are calling as a group here directly. We are calling as group. So what is the meaning of section concept there? Elimination of duplicates. Let's see that. How can we do in the VB? First you can decide what data you want to group based on what object you want to do the section. Right click, set as section. Automatically the data is arranged by the country wise. Whatever I performed the section, I can easily navigate using the map tab there. You go to the map tab, all your section headers will be appear. I perform the country, automatically all the country's values will be appear. So each section belongs to each country. This is the metadata view result. So this is the concept in webbing, where I can perform the sections, navigate easily using the map tab. That is webbing. Same concept. Here you can tell me which one is the best one I can perform the grouping. Either department number, employee number. Let us suppose department number. Set the data from here or go to the design, no problem. Department number I have selected. How can I perform the grouping operation here? Please go to the insert menu. If you go to the insert menu, we have a group option. Nothing but your section concept. Click on the group. It is asking to you Do you want to change the field or you want to continue with the department number? Department number. It's taking default ascending order. Whenever I performed the group, please observe two more boxes are added. One is group header box. One is group footer box. Whenever I performed the section in Webby, before performing the section, the data is in a vertical table, data is continuous. After performing the section, in your vertical representation level, do you have the country data in the vertical representation level? Do you have the country displaying in the vertical level? It's not displaying the country data, okay? Because we performed the section, then automatically section wise it is showing. That was removed after performing the group. Section. Before the section, see that? Before the section, the data is available in the table. After performing the section, that was removed from the table, it is displaying as a section. Section is displaying. This is the header within this section. If you want to see the metadata, view structure, then that box belongs to country. On that box level, I am displaying the header there, the country header. View the result. That is the functionality in Webby. Whereas in Crystal, whenever I perform the group, but still, wherever I performed the group, that object is still showing in the detail level. It will not remove automatically. We have to remove automatic. We have to remove manually. Some end users may expect that information also display in the table level. Some end users may don't require that information. We are already displaying as a group header, nothing but section header. And the data also displaying in the table level. If you want to display, you can display, otherwise delete button. Now the data is displaying department wise. Okay. So group header box, what is displaying? Where the 10, 20 and 30 belongs to where? Nothing but group header. The same concept in your section header there. There I have a section header. View structure. I have a section header. Whatever the section headers I am having, those will be appear in your map tab easily. France and US. Same thing. If you come to the Crystal, whatever the headers I have, those will be appear in left hand side. We have a below of your preview, we have a groups tab. In that groups tab, all the available groups are appearing. Same nothing but your map tab there. I can jump to the required section directly. Here also, I can jump to the required group directly. That is the difference. There I have a section, here I have a group option. I can jump to the required value directly. Okay. And here also advantage, whenever I perform the group, okay, 10 is one group, 20 is one group, 30 is one group. Okay. I want to display 10 value as a separate key. Then move the cursor on the 10 level, automatically that you can see the symbol is showing. If you double click on that, on the header part if you double click, on the 10 value if you double click, automatically see this. A separate tab is opened. So this feature is not available in your Webby. Close this. This is my main report. Whenever I want to see these 20 value as separately, the 20 department number value separately, if you double click on that, a separate tab will be open only for the 20th department number. If you want to display, you can display, otherwise close this. This is my main report. If I want to see any department value separately, if you double click on that, then a separate tab will be created for that 30th department number. Okay. This is the way how we are performing the grouping operation here. Will you do? Tell me. What is that? Yes. That is title you are telling. Okay, the page headers are not displaying. So see that. So default it will take only up to group 1 it will take. Then again you have to place here a box you have to place, a blank cell you have to place, then you have to insert the name. Okay. So only it is taking the details. See this. This box only will be taken from group header to details box. Because these values are belongs to that particular group value. If you want to display, again you can place the blank cell concept. So please try. I will give some exercises. Please do that exercises. Okay. One by one I will give to you. So start with eFlash. You can create a crystal report from eFlash. I already show you. Okay. Then take the year, sales revenue, that from the group on year. Take the motor. From the motor, please take the table, country, region, client, sales. From that, please display the country name, region name, client name, and sales total. Perform the group on. You can perform more than one group also. You can perform more than one group. First on the country, next on the region. Displaying level, please display only. The details are nothing but only should be displayed. Client name, sales total. From the extreme, please take the table, customer, order details. Okay. Then take the customer name wise, order date wise. I want to see the order amount. And perform the group on customer. Or anything you can take. Order date also if you want to, you can take. No problem. Perform the group on order date or anyone you can take. So this is the way where you can performing your grouping operation here. Okay. Then, if I want to insert the summaries for group wise, how can I perform in Webby? If I want to perform the summaries, how can I perform? Yes, very good. Just to select the revenue, I can go to the summary automatically. This is nothing but it is subtotal. Okay, so if this 835 belongs to France, this 2.451 belongs to US. Okay, same way here also. Now I don't have the summary for each group level. I have a grand total, but I don't have the total for each group. How can I perform the each group wise? Same way. Select the salary field. Go to the insert menu. Go to the insert menu. Click on the summary. Previously, it is displaying grand total, but I want to display for all the groups. Then, add to all the group levels. If I have a group, then the summary should be add to the all group levels. Click on OK. Automatically, it is displaying the summation and also grand total. We always display the grand total. That is the reason one grand total cell has been made. Okay, now these are the subtotal, nothing but group footer. See that where that footer is displaying, nothing but that box belongs to group footer. Your header belongs to group header. That is the reason whenever I performed the group, two more boxes are added. Nothing but one is displaying for header, one is displaying for footer. That is the use of those two boxes. Group header and group footer. How can I know is it a group footer or not? Just place a blank cell. Insert a blank cell in the decide of your group footer and provide the name as it's a subtotal. Whatever the name one you can provide, no problem. You can provide. If you want to format, as usual, you can format. Any other color? Preview. Okay. So you also please perform the subtotal for each report. Display the subtotal. Display the subtotal each level. Same for motors. Wow, what happened? I copied something and it is displaying something. Display the subtotal I copied. Somebody is operating my system. Okay. And also okay, so that is your homework. Please create these three reports. Okay, I am saving this report. Yes, I saved and try to create these three reports. We will see some more options on tomorrow. Okay, any queries? Shruti, Urudhi, Vani, Nipan, Ivan, any queries? Okay. Okay, then I am going to send these files. So please save them. Do the exercise. Okay? And good night all of you. Yeah.